Now let's understand what is UiPath CLI and then how do we install UiPath CLI, right? So UiPath CLI. UiPath CLI is distributed on NPM as at the rate of UiPath CLI, and this will install UIP command globally. Just like how you install Python and then you open terminal and then type Python space version. So UiPath CLI, which is distributed on NPM, will help you install UIP command globally, right? And it runs on any platform, can be Windows, Mac, or Linux, and it is supported by Node.js 18 or later. So you need Node.js to be installed in your machine. So now let's quickly see the prerequisites. So we need Node.js, as I mentioned, 18 or later. Can be any OS, any operating system. It can be Windows, Mac, or Linux. So these are the prerequisites for installing the UiPath CLI. So firstly, you need Node.js, right? So if you already have Node.js, then it's fine. It should be version greater than 18. If you doesn't have, you can just Google Node.js. You just Google Node.js, and then you can click on download. Then you can click on Windows installer, and then it will install. You can just follow the Node.js installation steps. And at the end, to confirm if your installation is properly done or not, you just go to command prompt and then search for Node version. So it says version 20.15, which is okay, which means Node.js is already installed. So now we need to install npm. So using this command npm install fng at the rate of UiPath/CLI. You can see one package has been added. You can also use pnpm. So whichever your team already has in place, you can use pnpm or npm. So I've used npm here. So the installation places the UIP executable on your path, on your Windows environment variables path. Okay. And to verify this installation, you can just use UIP space version. I can see and it returned 1.0.4, which means UIP is installed, right? You can also use UIP help to see more information like the commands and the tools and the options for this UIP command, right? So these are the document. You can, in simple words, you can say documentation of UIP. And to confirm where the UIP launcher and its tools live, you can use npm root-g. So this is where the root this is where the node modules are, and then you can also use npm config get prefix. This will be the parent directory which holds the UIP launcher. Also, before running our first UIP command, so one important thing to understand is that the first time you invoke a command, which prefix matches with the tool on the auto prefix matches on the auto install whitelist. the host will download and installs that tool from npm automatically. Let's say you use UiPath's orchestrator commands. So you don't have to install all the tools related to UiPath orchestrator. It will auto install those tools for you, right? For example, so if I want to list the folders from the orchestrator, so I just type UIP or folders list. So it automatically uses my robot credentials. So I've connected to my, this is my workspace. This is my orchestrator. Uh, I've connected through my UiPath assistant, right? So with that credentials, it will auto login to orchestrator, and then it will get all the folders available in my orchestrator. And I didn't install any tools related to orchestrator. So the first time I use a command related to orchestrator, it will auto install the tools and it will run the command. If you want to specifically install any tool, you can just use the syntax UIP tools install, and then you can use the tool name. So for example, if I want to use solution tool now, I can directly mention solution tool, and that will give me, and that will install the solution tool, and you can see successfully installed. In comments, I'll give you the documentation. You can go through the comments. And that's about UiPath CLI, and then how do we install UiPath CLI. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting UiPath content.